Hello, welcome to our class. This class is a continuation on the leadership style we saw last week. So here we are going to present the crossword puzzle, solution to the crossword puzzle we saw last week. But before we go to that, let's revise. Let's go back again to see what are the vocabularies we use related to the leadership style. Here we have them. We can say that a leader has a style that is goal oriented, laissez faire, profit oriented, egocentric, team player, collaborative, authoritative, assertive. We can also say that a leader has a style of problem solving, integrity, risk taking, empathy. He is an active listener. He pays a lot of attention when you are talking to him. A leader is reliable, flexible, and stewardship. So these are some of the words we use, or the vocabularies we use related to leadership style. And then after this, we saw how do we use this? All right, we use them during the conversation. For example, someone may ask you, what is the leadership style of your boss? So you can say that the leadership style, when it is styles, which is in the plural, are authoritative and egocentric. Or if you say woman, her leadership styles are integrity and the stewardship. So you decide from the words we saw. The ones that are, some of them are negative and some are positive. For example, authoritative and egocentric. These are negative characteristics. Okay, so the person puts everything, he has to decide, he has to say what should be done and what shouldn't be done. It's just like a dictatorship in politics. So these are negative characteristics. Integrity and stewardship are positive. Integrity means that the behavior is good. You can trust the person, whatever he or she says, he's going to fulfill it. And the stewardship means an ability to serve. Even if you are the leader, you are serving people below you. That's a stewardship. So these two words here, they give positive characteristics, and these two at the top, they give negative characteristics. So, this may be the question, or someone may ask you, how does your boss lead you? You here means the plural. How does your boss lead you? He leads us with authority, and he is also egocentric. She leads by showing empathy and the stewardship. So the same thing we responded here, just the same thing here. Okay, so this may be where somebody may ask you about the leadership style of your boss. So that is why we say that's an example of use. Because we have vocabularies and we need to know how to use them. What are the probable questions somebody may ask you, and then how do you respond? That is what we call example of use. Because if we provide you with the words or vocabularies and we don't tell you how to use them, it doesn't make any sense. It's of no use. You need to know how to use them in real life situations. So after seeing the example of use, then I told you now to now describe your own leader. Imagine someone asks you the same question. Now, how would you describe your leader? You have to go back again to the vocabularies and find out. First of all, you have to find out which words represent negative characteristics and which ones represent positive characteristic, and then using that you can respond appropriately. Okay, you don't have to worry about your response. You have to say what is correct. Nobody will know exactly what you responded. Okay, so in case you have any doubt or any questions, you can write on the comment section about the doubts you have or the questions you have. Then after seeing that, we now go to the solution to the crossword puzzle. So this is the response to the crossword puzzle we saw last week. Let's go through the horizontal first. Authoritative, egocentric, profit oriented, team player, assertive, risk taking, reliable, laissez faire, and integrity. Then on the vertical section, we have empathy, we have problem solving, we have goal oriented, we have a stewardship, we have flexible, we have collaborative, and we have active listener. So this is the solution to the crossword puzzle I sent you, I posted last week. So from here you can correct yourself. But the most important thing here is for you to know the meanings of these words. You have to find out what do these words mean and which ones represent positive characteristics and which one represent negative characteristics so that you can use them appropriately, use them correctly whenever they are needed. So we'll see you in our next class.